Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 BMW X9, a bold new entry from BMW that's already making waves in the automotive world. Designed to sit at the pinnacle of the brand's SUV lineup, the X9 is not just another luxury SUV, it's BMW's statement piece, blending cutting-edge technology, opulence, and performance into one striking package. At first glance, the 2026 BMW X9 commands attention with its imposing stance and futuristic design. It's larger and more aggressive than the X7, with a redesigned kidney grille that's slimmer and more refined, flanked by sleek LED headlights. The bodywork features sharp lines and sculpted curves, giving it an athletic yet elegant look. Aerodynamic enhancements and flush door handles not only improve efficiency but also contribute to a cleaner, more modern appearance. Under the hood, the X9 doesn't disappoint. BMW offers it with multiple powertrains, including a twin-turbocharged V8 and a high-performance hybrid variant. The M-Performance version is expected to deliver over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs ever produced by BMW. Paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and the lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission, the X9 promises thrilling acceleration and confident handling. Despite its size, adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride on city streets while tightening up on winding roads to deliver that signature BMW driving feel. Inside, the 2026 X9 takes luxury to the next level. The cabin is an experience in itself, with high-quality materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum covering every surface. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display, combining a 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster into one seamless unit. It runs on BMW's newest iDrive 9 system, offering faster responses, over-the-air updates, and deeper smartphone integration than ever before. Rear passengers are treated to executive-level comfort, especially in the four-seat configuration where two individual captain's chairs replace the second-row bench. Features like heated and ventilated massaging seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof create a first-class atmosphere. There's even an optional 31-inch rear entertainment screen with 8K resolution, turning long drives into cinematic experiences. Of course, safety and tech are front and center. The X9 includes BMW's most advanced driver assistance systems, including highway hands-free driving, lane change assist, and parking automation. The SUV is packed with sensors and cameras, giving it near-autonomous capabilities in certain conditions. The 2026 BMW X9 is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a bold move into the future of premium mobility. Whether you're looking for raw performance, state-of-the-art technology, or unmatched comfort, the X9 is designed to deliver on all fronts. BMW has created a true flagship that redefines what's possible in a full-size luxury SUV. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the hottest rides hitting the road. Catch you in the next one.